Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to create an eBay business account on an Android device. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the eBay application in the Play Store. After that, you can open the application and then you can click register. Okay, and then here you can select the bottom option. After that, here you can fill in complete information about your account. Starting from the business name, email address, password, and business location. Okay, and then please click create account. After that, please verify the captcha. Okay, and then here please enter the verification code which will be sent to your email address. Okay, after that here you can enter your account username. After that, the account has been successfully created. And then you can log in directly via eBay application. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to create an eBay business account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.